Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have a really cool Dollar Tree find. This is from the brand ECOTOOLS and this is the Contour Perfecting Applicator. I have not tried out a makeup tool like this, so I'm very intrigued. And ECOTOOLS, I feel like, is known for making nice products. It's made from recycled materials, it's cruelty-free and vegan. And like I said, I found this at the Dollar Tree. So now the Dollar Tree is $1.25. But a little tip when shopping the makeup aisle at the Dollar Tree is you can find some really great like Dollar Tree treasure finds at the bottom little rows, shelves, I guess, in the makeup aisle. That's where I believe I found this, and I've found some surprising products way at the bottom in the makeup aisle. So I'm excited to put this to the test. It says you can use it with powders and cream products. So I've got my blush, bronzer, highlighter here today in different formats. So here is what it looks like. You actually use it dry. I feel like with the sponges nowadays, I've just become so accustomed to wanting to wet them, but directions say to use it dry. This, I mean, seems kind of cool, but also seems a little small for like my bronzer, which I typically apply with an angled brush. But so I just picked up my daily makeup products, so they're definitely running low. I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Look at how used this is. But so let's just go for it. I'm gonna pick up some, I don't even know how much I want to pick up. And I mean, you can get like a very precise line here. Let's see how it blends out though, because I pretty much apply my bronzer contour all along the hairline, a little bit higher up on the, I feel like it's like gonna fall off of this thing. It's like very wiggly, but it's actually doing a decent job at blending it out, because as you saw, it goes on very heavy pigmented, but I think it actually works really nicely for blending that out and very precise. It probably takes a little longer than applying the bronzer contour with a brush, but I actually really like that. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more and maybe deepen this up. I thought I was gonna be going in with way too much, but I'm just gonna build that contour up a little bit more. Okay, I like this. And it's a very comfortable hold in the hand. But I really like that for along the hairline, the cheek, picking up some more for jaw contour. Let's see how this works. Like, I love that you can create that precise line and then just diffuse it. Like, that gives a really chiseled jawline effect. Oh my gosh. I wasn't sure that I would really love this, but I am loving this. I would literally use this to apply my bronzer contour every day. I like this so much. Okay, so just to show you the difference, side with it versus without it. Because with a brush, you can't get such precise of a line. But then just see how easily it blends and diffuses. And I'm wearing a full face of liquid foundation, and it's not removing the foundation as it's blending it out. Oh my gosh. And then I love that I can just get right along the hairline, because I feel like so many times with the brush when I contour along the hairline, I'm like basically down to here on my forehead. Like, it's not precise. And here it's just so precise and so easy to blend and easy to not go overboard, because if you put like a lot on, it blends out super seamlessly. It's going to deepen up the cheek area a little bit more. Ooh, you know what this is also probably going to be really great for is nose contour, because you can be super precise. I don't really do too much of a nose contour. Basically just go under my nose. You can also take it down the sides. But anywhere that you want really precise contouring, this is so perfect. Almost forgot about the other jawline. Can't forget that. I really thought it was going to be difficult to use this on the jawline, but it is so perfect. You can create a literal jawline. Okay, I would say bronzer and contour is done. Clearly, I love it. Next, I want to try out the cream product. So this is from Merit Beauty. It's the Cheek Color in Terracotta, and it's like a cream blush. This is my daily blush right now, so it's running low. But I'm just going to pick up, I guess, the clean side of the applicator. Pick up the cream product, and let's see. Okay, I feel like it's not really going on to my cheek very easily. Like it's all just still on the applicator. So maybe picking it up with the applicator doesn't work quite as easily because it just is a little stuck. I'm just gonna, for the fun of it, try just drawing on the cream product. Now let's see if I can blend it out with this applicator. Oh, definitely. Okay, that works much better. This is so great at blending. Go over the nose. I applied a lot of blush, but let's just even it out. I just love that it doesn't lift the makeup underneath either. That's so important when blending out cream products for me. And it's just so comfortable to hold. I know I already said that, but I just love how this applies. Perfect size, perfect shape. Wow. So it works with cream, but see, like it's still so on the applicator. Like you don't want to pick up cream with it, but you can blend out cream with it. And then for my highlight, I'm just going to go in with this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Hustla Baby. And this is a powder formula, so I am going to pick it up with the applicator. A little bit like that. And blend it along the high point of the cheek. Love it. This is working perfectly. So then you can be very precise with where you want to place the highlight. And then you can blend and diffuse. That works beautifully. Picking up some more. Wow, this applicator is so fun. It works so well. I want to stock up on these when I see them at the Dollar Tree because this is so awesome. And for such an inexpensive price, it works so well. I really do like this more than a brush for contouring and highlighting, all of that. Precise application. Wow, I love my finished complexion right now. I am going to try and wash this the way I wash my makeup sponges, which is just with water and bar soap. So in the description down below, I'll update you on how this washes or if it pretty much just stays stained like this. But I am so happy with this. I highly recommend giving this a try if you want to have some precise, easy to blend contouring and highlighting. And if you have tried this out, let me know what you think of it, your favorite uses for it, and if you just have any other fun makeup tools that you love to use, let me know in the comments down below, because I love to try out different, kind of unique makeup tools, especially when they're so successful. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.